Hi, my name is Jalen Robinson Green, and I am in the welding program at Father Judge High School, and I am a current junior there. Today, I will be talking about my notes. Now, my notes range from the beginning of the year, which was 2019 when I started welding, till now. And if you do get confused, don't worry, it's my notes. I will explain them. So I'll just choose a random topic and start off from there. Okay, let's see. Good. We'll do welding fumes, electricity, and forced posture. The hazards of welding in confined spaces. Gas, steam, or dust, which can cause fires, deflagrations, or explosions. Deflagrations are the action of heating a substance until it burns away rapidly, which is very, very fast. Gas, steam, or dust that reach harmful concentrations. This includes, above all, is nitrogen gases, or nitrous gases. Nitrous means of or containing nitrogen with a lower valence, often 3. Excess oxygen that cause fires and burns. Oxygen shortages that can lead to suffocation. Example, when using inert gas to protect the material from the effects of oxygen through chemical reactions or unsuitable and inaccessible ventilation. Hot materials, which can generate additional heat in the space. Limited freedom of movement as well as forced postures. So this also comes in hand when welding. So not every place you'll be welding at will be a big open place or outside. Sometimes you'll have to go through vents, small openings or whatnot. And a lot of people can't take that. So you have to go through specialized training and really go through that type of training for that. So excessive contact voltage when using electric hand lamps, tools, welding devices, or other electrical equipment. Each welder and operator of the equipment must be trained and able to recognize the dangers associated with each particular type of equipment to avoid injuries, fatalities, and other electrical accidents. Natural ventilation. The movement of air through the workpiece caused by natural forces. Vocab word. Annealing. ANNEALING, which means the process of letting the metal cool slowly. Okay, another topic. Galvanized steel cutting. Very common, which is dipped into zinc to inhibit the gases, fumes, and dust produced by rust. Welding cutting processes can be hazardous. Always be careful. Here are a few quick words about that. Natural ventilation, mechanical ventilation, and source extraction. Another part of that is, fume plume. Term used to describe the fumes, gases, and particles created by the welding process. Here are some of the consumable metals that contain toxic materials. Barium, cadmium, chromium, base metals, cobalt, copper, zinc, silica, manganese, and nickel. With manganese, when flame cut or welded, it can produce a condition known as zinc chills, which causes flu-like symptoms. Always be cautious. Warning, never enter a hazardous area with a damaged or not fitted respirator.